Here's why you're not building muscle. You're not using the double progression model. What this means, first, you increase the reps. Second, you increase the load. Here's what most people do. They'll see something like 3 sets of 8 to 10. They go 85, 95, 105. The problem here is you're at the top end of the rep range. These 2 sets aren't really hard enough to elicit a training response. We need to be within 1 to 2 reps of failure to really maximize this ability. So what we want to do instead, we want to ramp up with heavy sets of 4 to 6 until we find the weight that we can use within that rep range. So if we know that we can hit 105 for 10 after a couple work sets, we're going to easily start there. And so what we would want to do instead, 105 times 10 times 10 times 10. And so if you can hit the higher end of the rep range in a double progression, what that tells us, we need to increase the loading to the point where you're starting to fail around 8 reps. So the next week, we might go up to 115, and we go 8, 8, and 8. And what we want to do with that 115 is get to the point where we can hit all 10 reps. And then from that point, we restart, we increase the weight, fail around 8, to the point where we hit 10 reps with that. That's how you progress forever with a simple double progression model.
If you want to lose fat and build muscle, the number one thing you need to do, join our Look Great Naked protocol. Head to the link below, book your transformation call, and hit subscribe.